Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to buy PAX Gold on Crypto.com and store it in your own wallet. So let's get started. So I'm here on the PAX Gold website, or Paxos is the name of the company, and you can now buy PAX Gold tokens which are backed by real gold. So I'm going to put a link to this website down in the description below. You can find out all about PAX Gold, what it is, how it works. But basically in today's video, I'm going to show you how you purchase the tokens on Crypto.com. And after we do that, I'll move them into my own wallet. I'm going to use my Ledger Nano X hardware-based wallet, and we'll drop that PAX Gold right into our Ethereum wallet. And then I'll do this lookup and see what happens. That'll be fun. All right, so the first thing we'll do is acquire some PAX Gold on Crypto.com. All we need to do is go over to our Crypto.com app, and at the home screen, we just need to do trade and then buy. Now, here are all the cryptocurrencies that you can buy on Crypto.com. They've got quite a few of them. My PAX Gold is at the top because I already own a little bit. But you can also click the little search bar up there and just type in the crypto that you're looking for. So I'm going to tap PAX Gold. And you'll notice that they give you a little warning about it being a low volume token. It's not available on many exchanges yet, but that's a good thing for us because it's hard to find, and now we got a place where we can get it. So you can use your credit card or debit card to buy cryptocurrency on Crypto.com, and they're still waiving that 3.5% fee. So up to 3.5% of your credit card fees are waived, and in my case, that's all of it. All right. You can also use your crypto wallet. If you tap on crypto wallet, if you've got some other cryptocurrencies in your account that you want to trade for PAX Gold, you can do that. You can also use your fiat wallet, and that's a wallet that you fund from your bank account. It takes a couple of days to get the money from your bank into your fiat account, but once it's there, you can use that to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. So I'm going to use the credit card option today. And how much PAX Gold do we want? Well, gold is about $2,000 an ounce, but I only want about $50 worth of gold. So I'm just going to tap the little edit field there, and I'll just shave this amount down. Let's do 0.01, see what that gives us. A little more than that. Let's do 0.03. Yeah, that gives us about $58 worth. I'm just going to tap Buy PAXG, and it gives me an overview of the transaction. Notice there that my fee is 0. I'm going to hit Confirm, and there we go. I've successfully bought the PAXG. I get a little email alert, and then I can tap anywhere to continue. And then down at the bottom there where it's got accounts, I'll just tap on that. And I can look over in my accounts and see that I have some PAX Gold. As you can see, I had about $200 worth when we got started. So I'm going to withdraw that to my own wallet. So let's get started on that. Okay, so we're going to prepare our destination wallet. I'm going to launch my Ledger Live software. This is how I manage the cryptocurrency that is stored on this hardware device. The private keys are all stored on this hardware device, the Ledger Nano X. So, and PAX Gold is an ERC20 token. So I'm just going to go down to my main Ethereum account. I'll just click that. And here is my Ethereum wallet. Now what I want to do is add another ERC20 token to this wallet. As you can see, I've already got several in here already. I'm going to click Add Token, and then I'll search for PAXG, and there it is. All right, so now that I've selected PAX Gold, I've got my device ready up here in the top right corner so that you can see what's going on. I'm going to hit Continue. Now, what Ledger Live wants me to do is enter the Ethereum app on my device because PAXG is managed by Ethereum. Let's just navigate over to the Ethereum app, and then I'll hit both buttons to enter the Ethereum app. All right, now it's going to present that address on my device. I'm going to go over here to address, and I can match that with the one that I'm seeing on my screen. Now, before I go over here and click approve, I want to look at that address for a few more minutes. So I'm going to wait on the approve. We'll close the camera down, and let's do this show QR code. That is the QR code of my PAXG address in my own wallet. So we'll go back over to Crypto.com. All right, we'll get that ready. I'll go over to PAXG, and I'm going to do a transfer. So I'm going to transfer my PAXG from my Crypto.com account to my own wallet. So I'm going to do a withdraw from Crypto.com. So I'll tap withdraw down there at the bottom, and then I'm going to choose external wallet. All right, as you can see, I've never withdrawn my PAXG before, so I have an empty whitelist. What I want to do is add a new wallet address to my Crypto.com account so they can verify it. So I'll tap that plus, and I'm going to use my camera on my phone. That little icon down there in the next to the PAX Gold address, I'll tap that. It's going to open up the camera. We'll scan that address from my Ledger wallet, and I've got it auto-filled in my PAXG address field. Now I'm just going to give this wallet a name. I'll just call this one Ledger, and I'll just put X there so I know that it's for my Ledger Nano X. I'll hit continue, and then I'll need my two-factor authentication for my Crypto.com account. That's my Google Authenticator code. I'll just tap that in the top. It's my first Google Authenticator code. And then I'll tap paste and hit continue. All right, and then they're going to send me an email. So I'll wait for that email to come in. There it is. I'll tap that Gmail, and then I'll head over to the email and tap confirm withdrawal address. I'll go ahead and open Chrome on my phone, and that should relaunch Crypto.com. And there you can see that address is now whitelisted and ready to go. So I'm just going to tap withdraw PAX Gold, and then I'll go ahead and withdraw the entire amount. I'll tap max down there below the withdrawal button. That's all of the PAX Gold in my account. I'll tap withdraw, and they give me an overview of the transaction. I'll tap confirm there, and I need my two-factor one more time. I'll go over to Google Authenticator. I'll tap that code, slide back over to Crypto.com, and then I'll tap and paste. Hit continue there. All right, and there my PAXG withdrawal is now complete, or it's submitted actually. It's going to take it a few minutes to actually complete. So that's the withdrawal request. It's been confirmed. I'll tap anywhere to continue. My PAXG goes to 0, and it's no longer in my account. Now I can go up to the little clock up there on the right corner and monitor this withdrawal. As you can see there, I've got a PAXG withdrawal pending. So I'll just wait for that to fully complete. In fact, I can just set my phone down and go about my business. They're going to send me another email when the withdrawal request is fully confirmed. All right. We'll just wait on this end for the PAXG to come into the wallet. And now I can go ahead and finish that confirmation to dismiss this. I needed to keep that open so that I could scan that QR code. So we're all done with that. We'll hit done over here, and then we're ready, right? So we're all done with the device. We can safely disconnect it, put it in a drawer, whatever we want to do. And we'll just wait for that PAX Gold to arrive in our Ethereum wallet. All right, so let's check our Ethereum wallet here. We'll just open that up, scroll down a little bit. And we can see that the Paxos Gold is now safely and securely in my own wallet where I control the private key, right? This is a ledger-based wallet. The ledger controls the private keys of this Ethereum wallet. All right, so now that we've got it stored in our own wallet, let's check on the Paxos website about this gold-backed token. So I'm just going to click here and do a receive, and that will generate the ERC20 address of this token, right? It's actually the same address as the Ethereum wallet. When you have an Ethereum wallet, all of the ERC20 tokens are at the same address as the Ethereum wallet, right? So we've got that address now. Let's go over to the Paxos website. Let's paste that in and do a lookup and see what we get. All right, and there we go. What do you think? We've got the portion that we own, that small percentage of the ounce that I bought for about $250 worth. And there's the bar serial number, the brand code, the gross weight, the fineness of the gold, and the fine weight of the gold. It's also got an allocation report as of this date and a block number. So I bought a gold certificate on Crypto.com in the form of an ERC20 token, PAXG. And I transferred that into my own wallet, and then from my own wallet I can look up the actual portion of gold that is certified and stored and audited every month to show that I own a small piece of gold. So if there are any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered. Don't forget I do a live stream every Saturday night, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please join me for the live Q&A from Michigan, where you can throw out questions and I'll do my best to get them answered. Hope to see you there. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.